we got an iPhone XS Max with restart issues. The issue is quite different. We found previous must have restart issues while in use, but this is quite different. Instead of restart on use, this iPhone has restart not in use or restart in standby mode. This time takes approx 1 to 130 minutes. While in the use, the iPhone never restart. Such frustrating issues and what the solution is that I mentioned on the video. Keep watching carefully. In that case, you have to put your iPhone always open to avoid restarting in such cases. If you use iPhone 1-2 hours still not restart, here you can see time cross over 3 minutes with no issues. But while you put on standby mode, then here you can see iPhone is restarting. If the iPhone was restarted randomly, then the iOS device captured the panic data. After the update of the iOS, the panic logs are different, but if you observe it carefully, you got an answer. Let's see. Go to Setting, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Analytics and Improvements. Tap on Analytics Data. Scroll down till Panic Full shows. Open the latest one. Here you can see that I2C0 and ERM shows means some issues with the vibrator related circuit. Let's remove all flags instead of checking one by one. Let's see if the PCB status looks normal. Such issues mostly happen after water damage. Instead of checking one by one, I will check from outside. This is a new charging flex. I always recommend you use the original flex. Copy flex makes restart issues while in use. Now the problem was fixed. I changed the charging flex and the problem was solved, means there is an issue with the charging flex. If you face such restart issues and the panic log looks the same, then this video helps to fix your issues. Send your screenshot on our Facebook page or DM me on Insta, or you can direct comment below the video. After doing all, now the problem was fixed. If you visit us first time, then don't forget to like and subscribe. It's me Akash. Peace out.